Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. My name is Sean Dex and I welcome you back to the Mango Grow for your daily serving of mango juice. Here we have Bitcoin with some crazy last minute action right before an important candle close. We have the 12-hour candle closing in about 2 minutes. I was supposed to actually record this right after the candle close because I did take a trade in this area and I will talk about that soon, and I did want to manage it because Bitcoin was dumping on us and I was sweating, but hey, I thought since we pumped up, we do have some time, I do have some leeway before I may need to manage this position. Said, hey, why the hell not record it live, maybe get some cool action for you guys live. And I want to talk about why I took this trade because I'm actually pretty proud of myself for this trade. But hey, as you guys know, I did take a trade off this area right yesterday, but I got only 80% of my position in because it was a startup position, and then Bitcoin just ran the hell away from me. I managed to not just get more of the rest of the position over here, but even more. So I would say I'm kind of over position now. That's the reason I was sweating. Do not do this, guys. Do not do this. Do not over position. I took a risky trade over here, but I was managing it live, so I was going to get out very fast if we did not so I did not take on this candle, by the way. I took on this one. So I've been sitting here for the past freaking 1 2 3 4 5 6 hours now, right? Trying to manage this position, and it looked good. And right towards the end, right around I think 30 minutes or 35 minutes before the 12-hour candle close, we got a huge bear attack. And the thing is, I was actually looking for something like that. I was looking for something like that over here. I was looking for a huge bull wick to validate my thesis. I took this trade specifically because I was looking for something like this, okay? And why was I looking for something like this? And this may sound a little like I don't know what to call it. Like okay, so I want to like go on over to the high time frames, right? And I'm looking at, let's go and get all of this in equilibrium, clear out the Ichimoku for now, and turn off the horizontal too. I'm looking at this area over here. If you guys do remember, when we came down and tested this area over here, it was very similar to the price action that we got here, right? We tested the 89 EMA on the daily. It was also a key horizontal. We've been talking about the 9,400, 9,000 area, right? And then what happens? We rally off that. But if you go ahead and look at the 12-hour candle, right, you can see that we got a huge bull wick, okay, and the signature I was looking for was, if you go on over to the 4-hour, you're going to see something very interesting. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let me try and find it. Yeah, it was around this area, right? So we did come off this area first. We came off this area. We bounced off it very aggressively. Everybody got really bullish. But what does Bitcoin do a few candles later? It dumps really hard and then gets picked up right when people get scared out of their positions, and then moves up onward and higher, right? So what was I looking for? I was actually looking for a signature where, hey, we come on to a major support around the 89 EMA on the daily. We rally off it and then create a higher low, but with aggressive movement. That's what I was looking for. A higher low with aggressive movement. It tells it when I see a similar signature like that, I can be like, okay, you know what? I am kind of in tune with the market. I know what these guys are trying to do. I know they're trying to shake out people. And when I got this move coming in over here, all of today, yes, it was on the lower time frames, but hey, Bitcoin has been moving a lot more aggressively right recently, and we're seeing the similar thing, right, coming down. It's not going to be exact, guys. It's not going to be exact, but you're looking for the signature. You're looking for the similar kind of emotions, and that's, you guys know, that's what I trade. And the psychology of what the chart is telling me, not just random lines and random freaking shapes. No, I trade the psychology of what everything is of what's going on. And hey, this is exactly what I was looking for, man. This is exactly what I was looking for, and I got it. Honestly though, the reason I'm happy about this is because I was sweating here, man. Like I said, I was over position, and I really recommend you guys don't do what I just did, man, because you end up in a situation that I was just in, right? It's not good. I was sweating. You don't want to be in that stressful position. You want to do the mango way, the stress-free way. But hey, I intentionally took on some extra risk over here, because I will talk about that perhaps in a risk management video. But yeah, this is looking good now. Now the thing is, how does this all unfold? Because we do have a lot of resistance overhead. This is by no means we are not out of the woods yet, okay? There's a lot of work that the bulls need to do to fully convince me that, hey, we are probably going to start another trending move. I'm not looking for a trending move just yet. I am in position to be able to be in a good position for a trending move now. As you guys know, I like building my position for a trending move before that. Now, like this time, I'm very well in position. I don't need to build it on the way up, but we can go on over to the 4 hour now, and we can turn on our EMAs. As you can see, we did get rejected on the 10 SMA, right, and got rejected very aggressively on this move over here. Well, not here. It was this guy here. It looked aggressive, right, but we just freaking had a major pullback right now. Pull up. Is it pull back? Pull up. You guys know what I'm talking about. It just happened, like literally in the last 30 minutes of this 4 hour candle. You can see, look at that, guys. This is ridiculous. This is bullish. All right, this is bullish. When you see something like this, you have to reconsider. You have to reconsider. But then again, this is effery, right? I don't want to use the entire word, but you guys know what I'm talking about. We still have to be careful. We may see it reverse now. Why not? Why the hell not? If they can have effery down this way, why not do it the other way now? Take us all the way up here and then get sold into, and then come and take out this wick over here, right? So as you guys know, all we've done so far, even though the price action has been so goddamn crazy, all we've done is created higher lows, right? Higher lows. This. Okay, so now what we're looking for now is one. Okay, the 121 EMA hasn't been too much of a factor. We've been taking it and then losing it, What will be a decisive factor is if I'm looking for two things. I wanna see us close multiple candles over the 21 EMA. I also want to see the red SMA cross over the 21 EMA. I also want to see the Tenkin. Let's go ahead and put on a Tenkin. If you guys don't have the mango ribbon, PM me. I will give you access. It is completely free. I know some of you guys think that it's a paid indicator. It's not, guys. It's free. So yeah, the Tenkin and the 21 EMA is going to come in at resistance at 10,400. I do want to talk about this level now. There's a lot of things coming into confluence over here, right? A lot of things like lining up. If we take out this level, it's not just going to be a level on the 4 hour. It's going to be one. I think on the weekly, we do have the 10 SMA coming up over there, somewhere at 10,450-ish, right? I believe it is at 10,500. Okay, so it's not 10,400, 10,500. But I do believe that the 3-day 21 EMA or the 4. Okay, let's start with the 4-day. The 4-day 21 EMA is coming in at around 10,003. No, okay, we defended that really well already. So then it is the 3-day. It is the 3-day which we are closing tomorrow. Okay, so things are coming into okay, yeah, the 3-day. That's it. No, wow, the 3-day 21 EMA is at 10,200. What is at 10,400? I'm embarrassing myself right now. I believe it's the green 55 on the daily. Then Jesus Christ, the green 55. Okay, yeah, it is the green 55. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. If we clear the 4 hour 21 and the 4 hour Tenkin, we'll be clearing also the green 55, right? And that's gonna have spillover effects because now, okay, you know. Everybody knows it. Everybody's been following me now for freaking weeks now. You guys know that I've been watching the 4-day. I've been watching this particular setup. I've been watching for us to defend the goddamn 4-day 21 EMA. And we have, again, it looks like we are successfully defending it. Again, we are not out of the woods yet. We are closing this candle tomorrow, I believe. Yes, 17th. So we have around 12 hours. We need to hold anywhere above 9,907 for us to have a successful defense with this 4-day 21 EMA. And that would make me even more bullish. But what we are doing, though, is closing the daily over the 89 EMA. We are defending this very aggressively. As you can see, we did rally off this area over here. We took this trade, by the way, off the 12-hour Ichimoku play, right? The twist into the 200 MA, which lined up with the 89 EMA, which also was our Fib retracement level 2 for the golden pocket, the 618. I'm not going to go over all of that again with you guys. Go ahead and watch my video from yesterday. But now it does seem like this is what I mean, guys. Everybody says markets are not generous, won't give you another chance. But I see it give people chances all the time, man. Even in this area over here, right, when we rallied off the 89 over here, we came down and tested pretty close to that area. Let me go ahead and put on the 4 hour again. It's not going to be the same test, right? Because the bulls are always going to try and defend the low. They're always going to try and defend the low. That's what you're going to be looking for. And you don't want the low. You don't want to buy underneath. You don't want that. If you're bullish, you don't want to buy underneath the low. You want to buy higher, because if you went underneath the low, that's bearish. Okay. So as you can see over here, we come all the way down to 9,088, and you get another chance to buy it around 9,115. So the markets are generous, more generous than people would admit at the very least. It's just that we tend to remember when things don't go our way, or the opposite, when things go our way. But in the middle, the stuff that happens in the middle, we just neglect it. But a lot of stuff happens in the middle. Few things that people say that I really disagree with. That one of the things is the more often we test the level, the more likely we are to break it. In my experience, and I've been keeping track of it, yes, that is true in terms of the whole supply and demand perspective, but in Bitcoin that doesn't seem to to be the case. You market makers, market movers, they will, both of them, they will accumulate on that level if they have to until they're done, and then the market movers will push the price up. So there are different things that I do recommend doing what I do. Keep track of things on an Excel sheet. That way you'll have a better idea of whether something is true or not, because you want the probability on your side. You don't want to make each trade a personal situation, right? That's what people do. So enough of the rant, guys. So yeah, we are creating high lows on the 4 hour, on the 12 hour as well. As long as the 12 hour, okay, I'm going to feel comfortable. I should feel comfortable. As long as the 12 hour is holding anywhere about 9,745, I'll be comfortable. But then again, for the bears to actually turn this into a bearish situation, we're going to have to take out 9,463. That's really far away from my most recent entry. Yes, so that's the only thing I'll be concerned about. But I'll be looking to like start de-risking the trade, the extra position that I took somewhere around here, right? As soon as we reach 10,400ish, I'll be taking profits on that. So that will give me even more breathing room, and then I'll be able to sit through any more downside. This is not going to happen very fast. We're not going to be going onward and upward very fast at all. Bitcoin's going to be spending some time going sideways, perhaps testing the 21 EMA. Now officially we did not test it. I think we tested the 21 EMA on the 3 hour. Did we? Come on, load. Yeah, we did. Got rejected. Made this drive down. Then again, spending some time here. Now we've retaken the 10 SMA on the Tenkin. We're likely going to test this, and on this time around, I'm hoping that we break it and go ahead and test the 4 hour. That's when I'll probably de-risk some of my trade. I'll go ahead. I'll watch price action. I'll watch price action to see how we react in that area. I'm pretty sure the Tenkin will make a move down soon to maybe 10,327. Whatever comes first, either test the Tenkin or the 21 on the 4 hour. I will be taking out some of the trade, the extra stuff that I had over here. So let's go ahead and talk about the daily now. There's a lot of things going on the daily that we should be addressing. Now, yes, we are hitting against the green 55, but again, even if we do clear this, we do have the Tenkin to deal with. We do have the 21 EMA to deal with. Bitcoin has a lot of work before we enter the same situation that we were in over here, right? Now, we can go ahead and look at the 3-day, because I know a lot of people are looking at the triangle. Is this my BitMEX chart? I probably do have a triangle over here. Yep, it is drawn. No, this is the triangle on the 4-day chart. So we can go ahead and clear all the EMAs over here first. As you can see, we are respecting some sort of triangle over here, but there's so many different ways you can look at it, right? You can look at this as a descending triangle, which is completely valid, and that's the bearish case, right? And we do have to keep an eye out on that. And I do want to give some I want to give a shout out to TBAB, who presented the bullish case of this, and that is this being actually a potentially turning into an inverted head and shoulders. Because if Bitcoin does rally here, we're closing the 3-day tomorrow. Right, we start a new 3-day candle here, and then we go and test this neckline. This could potentially be a inverted head and shoulders, depending on whether you want to use the wicks or whatever. It's up to you guys. Again, I won't be playing the pattern of this too much, but it'll be good to see, because one, if we get rejected over here on the neckline, that's a rejection of the inverted head and shoulders. We should also make a move down for the descending triangle to come into place. But then if we get rejected over here again, we'll be moving down to the side over here at 11,114, coming and testing. We are hypothesizing way too much over here. There's too much if this, if then that. But I'm leading with this somewhere. Why am I talking about all this? Because if we do start filling out this triangle, it would validate possibly an edge-to-edge trade on the Ichimoku without actually reaching the bottom of the Ichimoku currently, right? Let's go ahead and talk about the Ichimoku, right? This Ichimoku is currently sitting at 8,820. We have the weekly 21 EMA also coming down over there. What could possibly happen is we just spend sideways over here on the daily and then come and hit 9,470 again, which would be the bottom of the triangle on the 3-day. Do you guys see where I'm going with this? And then, hey, possibly whatever, right? Maybe break down, maybe break up, who the hell knows? But you guys are seeing the triangle on the 3-day right now. If we spend time filling it up, it's going to line up with the Ichimoku edge-to-edge trade actually panning out without actually panning out the way people thought. So, which is why I wasn't too keen on this edge-to-edge trade happening over here. Like, if I was short, I wouldn't have gone all the way down over here, because there's too much over here that you'd be working against. Yes, the edge-to-edge is a high probability, but look at the probability working against you as well, right? So that's it for the 3-day case. That's the bearish case or the sideways case, whichever way you guys do want to look at it. I do want to try and be as neutral as I can over here, because we are not in the bullish posturing that I do want to see us, right? What do I want to look at? Oh yeah, the 4-day right now. We did move this, turn this from I was looking at this as a we could look at this as flag formation. If you want to put this as a horizontal, right, the white line here towards the bottom, you could just draw this as a horizontal. There's too many ways to be looking at this as triangles, but I'm looking at this as a possible ascending triangle. Why? Because of I'm just basically lining up my horizontal with this 21 EMA. Okay, yes, this is probably not the right way to do it, but if you take this low over here and one touch here, two touches here, now 3 touches, right? Why the hell not? Why the hell not? Rally off this again. This is a 4-day goddamn candle, though. It's gonna take 4 days to play out. So every 2 4-day candles is more than a goddamn week. So it's gonna take a while to play out. If we do break this, though, we do have a nice move to the upside, because it's gonna line up with the weekly breaking a major level. But hey, I don't want to talk about that just yet. We do have way too much work to do ahead of us now. Again, we are not out of the woods. You need to clear. The week needs to clear. If the week, okay, how about this? If the week doesn't clear the 10 SMA, I'm going to be de-risking a lot of my trade. I'm just going to be waiting for the week to either do that, or possibly us start making our way towards 8,900. Because why the hell not? We're so close now. And just give it the goddamn touch. Because usually Bitcoin has touched the weekly, right? But too many people are eyeing this. I think way too many people are eyeing this. I moved my horizontal by mistake. Okay, so yeah, the video today is going to be pretty simple, right? I do want to go back. I'm creating content for the seed program. I've been doing it all day, so I do want to get back to doing that. I do have a really an interesting module on risk management and a sort of a mix on risk management and game theory coming out soon. So I'm trying to like structure that well. But anyways, that's just a little teaser for those of you guys in the program. Right now, the daily, if we do close past this line, right, we're closing a 3-day tomorrow, we're closing a 4-day tomorrow, and well, we're closing the daily tomorrow. So if we close past this trend line, we'll be killing the 4-day as well as an important trend line on the daily as well, because I do think we are holding this as well on the daily. Yeah, so that'd be good. I'd like to see us pop over the green 55, but that might be me asking for too much. You can go ahead and look at how the hourly is looking on. Wow, this is really good price action, man. Really good price action. But again, man, because of this FRE, you got to be prepared for anything to happen. It can turn against you. We might be putting in a symmetrical triangle here, but again, is this a symmetrical triangle, guys? What do you guys think? When I'm not sure, I don't want to state it as certainty. But I'm more of like an Ichimoku guy, trendline guy, and then tertiary thing, I would use my patterns, right? Whatever patterns I see, but I would not use it as a first thing, because it's so many ways to look at the same situation, right? I'm pretty sure you guys are looking at this as something else. Is there anything? I don't know, but yeah, we've not taken the Kijun yet. I would like to see us close another hourly candle over the Kijun. We may get a bullish TK cross, which would be really good. Entering the cloud, and then perhaps having an edge to edge, but I'd be looking for an edge to edge to this side of the cloud, 10,531, which would actually line us up with one breaking the green 55, breaking the 4R21 EMA, also breaking the weekly 10 SMA, right? But if we do that, we need to hold that until Sunday, and is this Friday? Holy, it is Friday, guys. So it is the end of the week. Wow, this entire year has gone by, man. This entire year is just like, where is time going? And I'm so glad I'm done with the freaking corporate world, man, because holy crap, I used to like wait for my weekends, wait for my holidays. Always, I hated Mondays, loved Fridays, and here I am sitting today, not even knowing that Friday is here, and looking forward to tomorrow morning. Every day. Each day that I come to around the 5:30 mark, I'm actually a little bummed out because the day is kind of over, and I'm exhausted, I'm tired, and I'm like, I just can't wait for tomorrow to start so I can do this all over again. I never thought I'd be saying that. Okay, let me tell you guys, if you guys get good at this and live this kind of life where you are really in control of everything, to a certain extent, of course, because you can't control the charts, right? But there's so much autonomy. You can actually, no matter how unrealistic it sounds right now, to have that kind of feeling, because I remember sitting in that very spot and thinking you can never really feel that once you're done with school and your childhood. Those seem like the best days of your life, but it's really not. It shouldn't be, man. It shouldn't be. This is what life should be like. Where you're looking forward to your mornings. Right? The mango way, the stress-free way. We don't trade the stressful way. We don't do stupid shit like I did over here. But yeah, I'm going to fix that very soon now. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Should I do a quick recap? I ranted right now, so I should do a quick recap. We are looking for Bitcoin to basically show us some strength at this point. If we close over the green 55, very, very good. I will only be looking, actually I'll be looking for trend trades only above, yeah, remember where blue box territory was at around 10,750. This neckline too on, well, it was a neckline. Yeah, it'll probably turn into an SNR flip if we cross 10,750ish. And that lines up the daily 21 EMA as well, right? So it's only after then that I'm gonna get I'm gonna flip to a bullish mindset again. Until then, I'm gonna be cautious, and I'm gonna be looking to take profits, but I'm gonna be very aggressive about that, because then overall macro trend is up, right? So until then, I'm going to look to hold on to my position as best as I can, because this is a really good position. Okay, this is a really good position to have, and I'm pretty much in the clear right now. Like I said, guys, I'm okay giving out profits. I don't like taking losses. I hate taking losses. So that being said, again, I wish you guys well. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Throw it a like, throw it a subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.